First, I believe that in maybe 1, 2 years tops, it's going to become very difficult for people not using AI to manage to keep engaging in DeFi in ways that are meaningful. So if we see a larger development of DeFi, like I believe is going to become nearly impossible, extremely difficult for people not using that to compete in terms of yields or in terms of management. So what I see is faster pace of money flows, because as all the processes are going to be automated, we're going to see money flows that are much faster than they used to be. So it's going to be much harder for people to adapt, because if you don't have access to the ability to have first the data 24/7 and the ability to operate and with this data 24/7 across all ecosystems, you're gonna be having a huge handicap compared to people who have that. The second part that I can see coming is that the smarter models and people using the smarter models are also gonna have a huge edge. So I think there's still going to be some sort of like really unequal access to DeFi, in the sense that maybe today or a year ago, people who had the most knowledge about the different ecosystem, or knew about upcoming incentives ahead of everyone, they could start to farm and get higher APIs than others. Well, here's gonna be, I think, the same, but instead of having humans doing that, I think it's going to be different AI models competing against each others, and the AI models that will be the most refined and have access to the latest and best data sets will be the ones that emerge as winners. So yeah, I think it's going to become gradually. DeFi is going to be gradually overtaken by automated AI assisted agents doing trades for you. And I believe that in maybe 5 years, I think we're gonna see agents interacting with other agents to do everything on your own. So maybe you will interact with one agent that will be sort of your financial advisor, and then based on what this agent will know from you and what you tell him, he will mandate another agent to, for example, trade, and another agent again maybe to have some lending borrowing strategies. And maybe those agents will interact on chains where only other agents monitor, for example, that all the smart contracts are deployed like they should be.